Let's start with the question. How can I fix the Xbox 360 error code 03-5700? I got this error code 03-5700 on one of my Xbox 360 games, but all my other games work fine. The disk looks a little scratched up. I have tried Microsoft's suggestions, and cleaned it with a solvent. Is there any way to fix the disk, or should I replace it? So how can we solve this? There's one possible answer. Answer 1. Error 03-5700 occurs on Xbox 360. You see the following error code and message when you're using your Xbox 360 console. 03-5700, unrecognized disk. This could mean one of the following things. There's a problem with the disk. For example, it might be scratched or dirty. The game you're trying to play has known problems. Solutions: 1. Xbox 360 disk drive. Solution 2. Device support. This was taken from the Xbox support website. I hope this answer helped, and if it did, please drop a comment and subscribe.